Hey everyone, it's Health Day today. We have 6 links in today's lessons. You've already found the first one, and that is this introduction to the lesson. Be sure you click on each link in order to get through the entire lesson. The next link you'll find is our health video. Today's video is a review of the nutrients that we've been covering the last few weeks. We've talked about carbohydrates, proteins, fats, water as a nutrient, and today's video is going to just wrap those things up and kind of review all of those things for you. After the video, you will go to your warm-up for activity, do some stretching and getting ready for your activity. Then we'll do our A to Z exercises and activity for the day. The words you're going to spell today with your exercises are again a review of our health lessons from the last few weeks. Then we'll do our cool down, stretching, and then I will pop back on the last link just to wrap up the lesson for today. Make sure you do all the links, do the whole lesson, get through the video, and then all of your activity and exercises. Have fun, work hard, and I will see you at the end of your lesson.